no arms, no legs, still moving that ass. Little lemon noodle with a billionaire stare, tongue going blap, blap, taste in the air. She don't chase balls, she don't do tricks, she just wears her skin like a rich girl fit, curled in a hide like a cinnamon roll. Tiny little sock puppet with a murder soul. She don't bark, she don't beg, she just stares like a queen with no damn legs. Thera, Thera, limoncello dream, luxury noodle, little reptile queen. Thera, Thera, smooth little freak, tiny cold spaghetti with a judgmental peak. No hands, no feet, still got me trapped. One little boop and my brain goes snap. Thera, Thera, limoncello queen, cold-blooded baby, but she's warm to me. She eats one wrap and clocks out for days like do not disturb, I am digesting my way. She's a scarf with opinions, a belt with a pulse, a judgmental shoelace in a heated little cult. People say, ew, snake, I say, fix your tone. That's my weird tube daughter in a climate-controlled home. She slides so slow like she pays the rent, then folds herself up like a haunted breadstick. She don't bark, she don't beg, she just stares like a queen with no damn legs. Thera, Thera, limoncello dream, luxury noodle, little reptile queen. Thera, Thera, smooth little freak, tiny cold spaghetti with a judgmental peak. No hands, no feet, still got me trapped. One little boop and my brain goes snap. Thera, Thera, limoncello queen, cold-blooded baby, but she's warm to me. She has no eyebrows, still looks concerned. She has no shoulders, still gets her turn. She has no pockets, still holds my heart. She's basically a shoelace with designer art. She's not a monster, she's not a threat, she's a living pool noodle with emotional debt. And if she ever escapes, I'll lose my damn mind. Checking every shoe like, girl, now is not the time. Thera, Thera, limoncello dream, luxury noodle, little reptile queen. Thera, Thera, smooth little freak, tiny cold spaghetti with a judgmental peak. No hands, no feet, still got me trapped. One little boop and my brain goes snap. Thera, Thera, limoncello queen, cold-blooded baby, but she's warm to me.